The reason why I haven't been around is that I've been bit by a few other projects other than SOCs. This has included N-scale train development. N-scale trains are a scale of trains smaller than HO scale by about half in all dimensions, and is a scale that is quite common for people with limited spaces and also like to draw indoors. Eventually I'll have my own layout that will have a functional steel mill, but until then this is inspirational. The main issue is that N-scale trains are very expensive, both for components and for the actual parts themselves, so I plan on designing and documenting how I'm designing the entire thing from scratch. One of the things that is the main starting limiter is the power distribution. Most systems rely on one main switch that turns everything on and off, which is great for having everything plugged into one main power bus. But if you want to have like a day-night cycle or anything like that, then you're having to chop into that system and break it up manually. What I have built is a main power distributor, which will allow me to use Raspberry Pi Python to turn on and off chunks of the layout without having to manually throw switches. They can be connected to switches eventually, but I do not have to manually wire the system. I can do it in software. For those that like schematics, here's what the schematic is. So this is the main power distributor, and what it is that it uses I2C to communicate to 8 separate relays. It uses an I2C chip, which then communicates via amplifier circuits, Darlington bridges, that then turn on relays powered by 12 volts. That's what these two wires are for. These then trip the relays to connect the power in through the fuse to either the normally closed or normally open, depending on what the relay is set to. There's 8 channels so that I can have up to 8 devices, and they're all controlled by the same I2C bus. The little switches here, you can set the address of the I2C. As you can see, I haven't abandoned SOCs yet, but I have many projects on the go right now. It is a bit of a mess in here.